What's the meaning of back passage? Back passage. Back passage.
Back passage. Back passage. The term back passage is commonly used to refer to the anus or rectum, which are the last parts of the digestive system before waste is excreted from the body. The back passage is important for expelling stool and maintaining bowel health, but it can also be a source of discomfort or embarrassment, particularly if someone experiences symptoms like itching, pain, or bleeding. Conditions like hemorrhoids, anal fissures, and inflammatory bowel disease can affect the back passage and cause these symptoms. Proper hygiene, a balanced diet, and regular medical checkups can help prevent and manage back passage issues. It is important to speak with a healthcare professional for accurate diagnosis and treatment.